Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadget glitches in simple, straightforward ways. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Spectrum's 2025 pod devices: that annoying blinking green light. If you're a Spectrum user, you know how frustrating it can be when your Wi-Fi extender starts acting up, especially if it's interrupting your streaming or work calls. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First off, let's talk about what that blinking green light actually means. On the 2025 Spectrum Pod, a steady green light usually indicates everything's connected and running smoothly. But if it's blinking, it could signal that the device is trying to establish a connection, experiencing interference, or dealing with a weak signal from your main router. In some cases, it might even point to a firmware issue or a simple setup problem. To troubleshoot, start with the basics. Unplug your pod from the power source and wait about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This quick reset often does the trick. Next, check your pod's placement. Make sure it's not too far from your router and is free from obstacles like walls or large furniture that could block the signal. If that doesn't work, try relocating it closer to the router temporarily to see if the blinking stops. If the problem persists, it's time to dive a bit deeper. Open the Spectrum app on your phone and look for any available firmware updates for your pod. Updating can fix bugs and improve connectivity. Also, double-check your home network settings to ensure the pod is properly linked to your Wi-Fi network. If you're still seeing that green blink, reach out to Spectrum support. They have dedicated teams for these issues and can walk you through advanced diagnostics. Remember, staying on top of your device's maintenance can prevent these hiccups. Keep your Spectrum equipment updated and positioned optimally for the best performance. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.